was also bears where I was going camping, so I feel like maybe it wasn't so over dramatic of me to think that I wasn't gonna make it out alive. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're viewing me for the first time, hello, my name is Stephanie. If you're old here, welcome back. Today I want to talk about true confidence and how to find it. There are thousands, if not millions, of ways to become confident in things. And there are so many courses and classes and coaching programs and so many different things out there to gain confidence or to teach you how to have confidence. But there is one true key on how to become truly independently confident. To be just like totally blunt about it, the best way to be confident in something is to practice it. To better explain this to you, I'm going to tell you like a quick story. This past summer, I had the honor of going camping for the first time ever. And one of the things that I do with my personality is that I like to prepare absolutely everything before I do something. I read all of the books, all of the blogs, check all the articles, make all the lists, pack this, do that, prep for this, add extra this, blah, 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 until like the cows come home. I prepare myself for new experiences. And going into the camping trip, I was like fairly confident. Like I had a good baseline foundation of education for what to expect. But going into the trip, I was by no means a confident camper. And I was even going with somebody who is a very confident camper and who loves camping. And I was still like, I don't know, man, I might not make it out of this thing alive. There was also bears where I was going camping. So I feel like maybe it wasn't so over dramatic of me to think that I wasn't gonna make it out alive. But I was probably just being overdramatic. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that I absolutely prepared myself for this trip to the best of my ability. But I was not nearly as confident going into the experience as I was when I came out of the experience. See, the reason for this is because no blog, no article, no camping packing list, no piece of advice or inspirational video was going to prepare me for the camping trip that I went through. Nobody told me about the 30 hours of rain that was gonna pour down exactly as soon as we got to the campsite. Nobody told me how it would feel to have my tarps completely fall down because the rain was too heavy on them. Nobody prepped me, nothing prepped me for the 2:30 a.m. pee that I had to take in the middle of a thunderstorm where I was scared absolutely shitless that a bear may try and eat me. But here's the thing. After going through that experience, I had the confidence and realized, hey, I made it out alive. I didn't even get injured. I didn't get sick. I didn't get hurt. I made it out alive and I actually had fun while doing it. See, this is the kind of stuff where you just need to like go through it to actually know that you can do it. You can't just read books, because if you're just gonna read books about it, you're just gonna have a concept in your brain. Whereas when you actually experience what you're doing, you're gonna have confidence knowing that you can actually do it. And until you actually take that step of action, it's all just kind of like floating up here. You have no idea if you can do it. You think you can do it, but you don't actually know. So I'm not saying to not educate yourself. In fact, I'm saying educate the shit out of yourself. When you're gonna do a new endeavor, like make sure you cross all your I's and dot all your T's. That is not how it goes. Make sure that you cross all your T's and dot all of your I's before you do something new. However, if you are holding yourself back from doing something because you don't feel confident or comfortable in the fact that you're gonna do it, I have one thing for you to consider. Are you actually not prepared for it? Or are you actually just scared of it? Because chances are you're never going to be ready for it until after you actually do it. Let me say that again. You will never be ready for something or confident in doing something until you actually do it. So that kind of wraps up this video, guys. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with all of your friends. I wish you all a happy new year. I hope you conquer all the things that you set out to conquer this year. I love you so much. I'll see you in the future. Bye. Bye. I'm ready. Honestly, the amount of hair zhishing and flips that it takes to make a video these days is ridiculous. Can't compete with these Instagram models.